How many weekends have you lost to tweaking rubrics that still leave students asking, why did I get a B? Our pack fixes this with AI powered rubric templating that auto aligns to Bloom's taxonomy, dynamic scoring matrices that reduce grade disputes by 70%, feedback phrase banks tagged to specific learning objectives, and mastery dashboards that show skill gaps in real time. Whether you're a middle school ELA teacher drowning in essay grading, a university STEM professor battling inconsistent TA scoring, or a district curriculum lead fighting rubric fragmentation, this is your solution. Spoiler, it doesn't involve whiteboarding sessions that last longer than the actual test. Here's what's inside the assessment and rubric pack. Start with rubric scaffolding that auto-generates criteria based on selected standards like NGSS or ISTE. Then use our feedback logic engine to connect specific error patterns to growth-oriented phrases. The analytics module visualizes mastery trends across classes using heat maps and proficiency staircases. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just convenience, it's a complete reimagining of how assessment design should feel. Installing the assessment and rubric pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add assessment design pack. That's it. You get the full rubric workflow: AI prompt chains for criteria generation, SQL templates for mastery tracking, and 500 plus pre-built feedback snippets tagged by cognitive complexity. Your next Claude Code session auto-loads the rubric ontology, while your AI assistant gains rubric-specific reasoning patterns for weighted scoring and feedback prioritization. Warning: may cause sudden urges to rebuild your entire assessment strategy at 2 a.m. Because better assessments shouldn't wait for tenure review.